Welcome back, YouTubers. Today we are working on a 2014 Mercedes-Benz C250. This is the 1.8 liter turbo. First things first, jack up the vehicle, support it on jack stands. Then we're going to go after the drain plug. This is a 13 millimeter drain plug. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Once you get the drain plug off, just let the oil drain. We're going to go after the oil filter next. There's a drain plug, crush washer. Next, we're going after the oil filter and the oil filter housing. It's going to be in the back towards the firewall. You want to go ahead and get your tray. Get ready to catch the used oil in the oil filter. It's going to get messy. It's a 27 millimeter. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. You're going to want to get a rag. Catch some of the extra oil that's going to be dripping all over the engine. Pull out your oil filter and your oil filter housing. Set it in the pan. Here's the old oil filter and the new oil filter. You're gonna want to take the old filter off of the filter housing. You don't have to use this brand, but you do want to use a new oil filter. Use a pick to pick these O-rings out. You got 3 O-rings. Small, medium, and large. You got the large, the medium, and the small. Now that we got the new filter and the O-rings in the oil filter housing, we're going to set it back into the oil filter housing itself. So watch out for that vacuum hose right there. You want to slowly hand tighten it. Once you get it seated, you want to grab your 27 millimeter and just hand tighten it. The recommended torque is 24 Newton meters. Then once you're done with that, you want to fill up the engine with new oil. This particular model takes 0 W204 oil. You can use whatever oil you want. Just make sure you use brand new 0 W204 oil. Thank you, YouTubers. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.